They say legends don't die. They just wait for someone brave enough to find them. Deep in this forgotten acreage, a ghost has been holding its breath for 60 years. This is a 1960 prototype, a Mustang that history forgot, and a machine that was never meant to be found. And there she sits, entombed in the dark, a queen without a crown. Sapphire Blue was once the color of the future. Now it's just the color of a grave. Today, we break the seal. Today, we bring her back to the light. She has been reclaimed by the earth, but the iron still has a heartbeat. Moving 60 years of silence is never easy. Every inch is a heavy battle against time. If you're enjoying this resurrection, subscribe and join our family as we bring more legends back to life. The rescue is over. Now, the resurrection begins. Welcome home. Time to strip away the years. We start by washing away the decades. Every layer of grime is a year of neglect we are finally erasing. The foam acts as a chemical eraser, peeling back the shroud to find the skin of a legend. The dirt is gone, and now we see the scars she's been hiding. The heart of the machine is seized, frozen in the winter of 1960, a masterpiece trapped in a cage of oil and rust. To save the future, we have to gut the past. We strip it back to the bare iron, peeling away the rot to find the truth underneath the decay. Now, she is a blank canvas, a silver ghost waiting for her new skin, waiting for the sapphire. Perfection isn't an act, it's a habit. It is 1,000 small victories over rust and ruin. Behold, the sapphire glow, a color that captures the sky and the speed of a bullet. The details are where the legend lives. They live in every bolt and every polish. The crown is back on the king. The throne is occupied. A machine is just metal and rubber until the spark. If you're enjoying this resurrection, subscribe and join our family as we bring more legends back to life. The ghost is gone. The Mustang is back, ready for her second life. Perfection is worth the wait. Every second, every scar, every breath, restored, reborn. Sapphire.